फूड और न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में तो आप सभी को पता है ना। लेट्स गो आउट एंड फाइंड आउट न्यूट्रिशन आपको बाहर कैसे मिलता है, हाउ यू कैन गेट न्यूट्रिशन आउटसाइड योर होम। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसको जाके सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाइए ताकि आपको मेरे हर नए वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल, हाय, माय नेम इज़ कशिश एंड आई डू वीडियोस रिलेटेड टू फूड, न्यूट्रिशन एंड लाइफस्टाइल। सो लेट्स गो आउट एंड एक्सप्लोर द कैफे टू फाइंड आउट द न्यूट्रिशियस थिंग। कम ऑन। Today I am in Indore, the city of foodies, and I am gonna explore Now Cafe. So let's go and find out the nutritious thing you can get from here. So I am inside the Now Cafe with a beautiful interior. So I am gonna talk to the chef what dish he is making and what nutrition you can get from the dish. Hello chef.
Hi.
So what are we gonna make today?
So today we are making chili tofu. So which is basically like chili paneer, but instead of paneer we are using tofu. So which is a healthier version and plus lactose free. So even vegans can have it.
Okay. So what all ingredients are you gonna use in it?
Okay. So I'll just tell you all the ingredients and we'll discuss about their nutritional values also.
Okay.
So I've got some regular table oil here. We can also use olive oil for healthier version. Then we have got soy sauce normally available. Then we have got chili sauce. So it's red chili sauce. You can use green chili as well. Then it's water to just make a gravy for that. And then we have got the slurry. So this is the important thing. Generally we get the slurry that is made up of corn flour and water. But we have used whole wheat. So that basically will be a better option for that.
Whole wheat will give fiber to your content.
Yes, that will be, and plus it will be easy to digest compared to corn flour. Okay. Then here we have got some ginger and green chilies. Then we have got some salt and we have got some black pepper. So those are basic spices and we'll make it a little less spicy so it's easy to digest. Then here we have got capsicum, we have got onions, we have got spring onions for the garnish, we have got some corn and some tofu of course. So what do you want to know about the vegetables?
So I wanna know कि ये डिश इतनी हेल्दी कैसे बन सकती है?
Okay, so we can do a detailed thing for it. So we have got capsicum which have got a good amount of water in it and generally used in keto diets as well because there have almost zero carbs. So then we have got onions. Onions again are watery vegetables so it's easy to digest and they again go in keto diet. So it's basically a part of keto diet as well. Then we have got...
That is weight loss.
Yes, intermediate fasting and all that,
Yeah.
different kinds. Then we have got spring onions, again a family of onions itself. So then we have got corn, they have got good diet.
fiber.
Yes, so it is nice, it will keep you filler for a longer period of time. And then we have got tofu. As you mentioned me about the protein content, that tofu has 8 grams and paneer has 23 grams. But yeah, it is better for digestion and it is it has got more amount of you can say protein compared to other things and it's easy to digest, plus you can use it if you are lactose intolerant, that is a intolerance to milk and its products, plus it is vegan. So generally we are having a trend of the vegan food, so this is a vegan dish we can say.
Okay. So what are you gonna suggest कि पनीर यूज़ करना चाहिए या टोफू यूज़ करना
What will
चाहिए?
you suggest?
Both.
It generally depends ki what you want, it's on your preferences because tofu has a little stinky smell to it, to be very honest.
Okay.
And it takes time for you to adopt, but it is a better alternative to paneer for the people who want to give up dairy and want something that is vegan because generally the celebrities are also using it, so people have a trend to follow them. So if you want something, this is for you.
Okay. So let's start the dish.
बेसिकली अब ऑयल हमने डाल दिया कढ़ाई में एंड अब ये गर्म हो रहा है एंड हम इसको स्मोक करेंगे। चाइनीज़ में द मेन थिंग इज़ कि धुआं आना चाहिए आपका कढ़ाई में से। सो वी विल जस्ट डू दैट.
1800.
हाँ, तो इसका मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर बेसिकली जो भी आपके पास अवेलेबल है. एक बार थोड़ा सा स्मोकिंग हो जाए फिर वील ऐड ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स ताकि क्विक स्टर फ्राई हो जाए. सो थोड़ा सा हमें स्मोक आना चालू हो गया है. मुझे पता नहीं कैमरा में दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है.
I can feel the warmth.
Okay, so let's start. First we'll add ginger and green chilies. I'll add the capsicum, and we'll just give it a quick stir. And we'll add the tofu in the end after the gravy is completely prepared.
Okay.
I'll add just a dash of spring onions to it for the flavor. We'll add some water, some soy sauce, chili sauce.
Chili sauce.
So it depends how spicy you want it.
Okay.
And here we have got the salt and some black pepper, and we'll just stir it a little bit.
Okay.
And now we'll put in the whole wheat slurry. You can adjust the thickness however you want. I'll just keep it as. And finally we'll add the tofu.
Tofu. Wow, nice smell.
Thank you. And we'll just allow it to simmer for a minute,
Okay.
and that will be it. So that will do it, and I'll just put it on the plate. If you can pass me the plate.
Okay, sure. So basically this is the healthier version of chili paneer by using tofu. So we are gonna taste it. I am just gonna taste this. It is so tasty. टेस्ट के साथ साथ इट इज़ हेल्दियर ऑल्सो बिकॉज इसमें पनीर की जगह टोफू यूज़ किया है. सो आज आपने देखा कैसे आप एक हेल्दी फूड और एक अच्छा टेस्ट को कंबाइन कर सकते हैं. यू ओनली हैव टू डू स्मार्ट चॉइसेस. मार्केट में बहुत सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल है. यू ओनली हैव टू डू स्मार्ट चॉइसेस. इट्स अप टू यू कि आपको हेल्दियर फूड खाना है या नहीं. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. थैंक यू.